What's up, Hemis? So today, we gonna be going to Queens like we always do. I feel like I'm always in Queens. Like every time I tell you guys I'm going somewhere, it's always Queens. But yeah, we heading over to Queens. We gonna get something to eat with the boys and the females. And then I got a car meet later that I'm actually hosting. This is the second car meet. The first car meet that I hosted, yeah, it didn't go out so well, you know? You can't host a car meet and not show up, you know, that doesn't work out so well. So this is gonna be my second car meet that I'm actually hosting. You know, people trust me and they're coming back. It's not really a car meet, it's more like a meet and greet because the spot that I chose is like a very small area so that the people that I've been communicating with on Instagram, I could get to meet them and know who they are because they actually been helping me out a ton with the Instagram. So I'm gonna meet them, see what's up with them. I guess there's gonna be more cars that's gonna be coming, but I don't know yet. So that's exactly what we're doing today. But that's not until later on into the video. That's not happening until like midnight. So technically tomorrow, but on the fly it says 11:59. So that's what we're doing today. Right now it's about to be 3 o'clock. So I have to head out because I promised my boy Lewis that I was gonna be there like around 2, 3 o'clock. And it's now 3 o'clock and I'm just now leaving the house. So yeah, as you guys know, I'm not very good with time. Yeah. But with that being said, we're gonna head out now. Let's go. All right, so I just got to, what station is this? I think this is Chancellor Street. Yeah, so I just got to Chancellor Street. About to hop on a J. Again, running OD late. I left the house at like, I'll say 3:15. So let's see what Lewis says. I hope he's not bad, but yeah. Alright, so your boy actually made it to Queens finally. Right now it's about 4 o'clock. I don't really know what the plan is really, but I promise you guys when I get upstairs to his house, he ain't gonna be ready. And we're gonna have to wait about 30-35 minutes. That's for him to get out his bed. And then like once he get out his bed, we're gonna have to wait another hour for him to go take a shower and get dressed. Yeah, this guy is annoying when it comes to leaving his crib. But it's all fair, you know? I left my crib late, so it's all fair for him to take his time and do what he got to do. But I'm gonna show y'all. Well, I'm gonna get back to you guys when I get to his crib later. All right, so we just got to Lewis's crib. We about to call him and see what's really Gucci. Let's see. Put on a speaker for y'all. Yo, bro, I'm downstairs.
Are you really?
I'm dead ass downstairs.
Alright, cool.
Can you open the door for me?
I'm gonna go down right now.
Oh, you're dressed?
Yeah, I've been ready, nigga.
Wow. Okay. All right, I'm downstairs.
Alright.
All right, bye.
Alright.
But like I said, I don't really know what we're about to do. He said that he's coming downstairs. I don't know where the hell we're going, but I'm pretty sure he got something planned. So let's wait for him. Let's actually wait and see how long it takes him to get downstairs. Because I promise you guys, he wasn't ready. Look at this little kid. Have me just coming in here chilling. But yeah, man. Gotta wait for him. It's crazy. What's going on, man? How you doing? Good. You alright? Nice, nice. Still taking a while. Nobody in sight. This lighting bar is elite. Sorry. Thank you. I mean, might as well go in and wait for him. Wherever he is. He's coming from that way. So now we wait. Yeah, but like I was saying, the lighting up there, that shit is elite in that box. It's like a light box. Photographers, that's the spot. This guy. hot as hell, man. I want to go. I want a nice Dunkin' Donut colada. Yo, let's actually see if we could go to this floor.
Somebody said it was that about.
He wasn't ready. I told you guys. Whoever bet against me, I was right. Say hello, nigga.
I know the cash was better than that. I think of that Gucci, that shit that was black. That broke shit was whack. I'll never go back.
This nigga here.
I'm a fucking rat, bro.
He's a hood rat. I kind of made a bet with them that you wasn't gonna be ready.
Who?
The people.
The people?
Yeah, like the 7 subscribers, you know?
The camera?
No, the 7 subscribers.
They watching you?
Not right now.
Alright, cool.
In like 3 hours, maybe.
Cool.
Nah, I'm lying. Maybe 12.
You 7 subscribers.
Where are we going?
Relax.
I don't know where we're going.
I'm going to Dunkin' Donuts.
I want a nice Dunkin' Donut colada.
I'm going to Dunkin' Donuts.
You don't need a haircut, you want a haircut.
Or Catherine's hat? No, I need to take Karen's hat. Karen's hat fit me better. Oh, that big ass hat. Oh, that's it?
What's up, bro? How you doing?
Chilling. Niggas, are you gonna record the whole time?
Yeah,
The camera doesn't have a flash?
it does, but I don't want to use it.
This nigga has his phone right there.
That's how you gotta do it,
I
bro.
wish I could see this.
You said you wish you could see
He has
it?
his phone like this.
You should never swipe your card in public places that's so sketchy like this, brother. What's going on over here, bro?
Nothing, bro. Nothing.
You good?
Let me see your phone.
I told you I don't have it.
I'm gonna go get keys.
Oh, hold on, that's my phone, bro.
Phone? Thank you.
Why do you need my phone?
What's your oh, leave that there.
Why do you need my phone?
Everybody, Cancun 2018. You're
Miami first. You already know.
Then you made your little getaway. Nothing's very love you want. You know that's what they say. Your love is like a hit and run. You broke my heart, then you drove away.
guys. It's been a pleasure. I didn't leave anything in here, right? It's been a wonderful night. Oh. Fuego. My man, it's been a pleasure. Thank you for getting me home safely.
I got you, bro.
Take care. Hey, Matthew. Get home safely, bro.
Jose Beats.